All right, gonna do a quick video on this Landhero 12. I'm guessing no real markings on it, but same size as the FF15s and the other ones in this sale. We only got one like this particular sale. It's got the Briggs & Stratton motor in it, auxiliary hydraulics ready to roll for the attachments. No cameraman today, so I'm just gonna fire it up for you. I'll try to move it around a little bit, but yeah, let's fire it up. So you got the shut off right here. Turn that baby on. Let's fire it up. Easy as that. Also swings around. There you go, quick little demo. So if you don't turn off these power switches, it tracks the hours. So that's that. Come check this baby out on October 4th from 9 to 4 is preview day. We'll have everything set up, and we'll see you on preview day. Thanks for watching. Any questions, just email in. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks.